What's the meaning of bruit? Bruit. Bruit.
Bruit. Bruit. The word brute has several meanings depending on the context, but its most common definition is a medical term referring to an abnormal sound heard during auscultation. This sound may indicate a problem with the heart, lungs, or blood vessels, and can vary in intensity and location. The term bruit may also refer to a rumor or report that is circulated widely, often without reliable evidence or proof. In this sense, it can have negative connotations and may be used to spread falsehoods or create confusion. Overall, bruit is a versatile word with multiple meanings that are used in different fields and contexts.